The CARPURIDE W903 has been an amazing addition to our vehicle. This is a very old Honda S2000 2007 model. As you can see, it has a very outdated stereo. But with this CARPURIDE W903, we have a front dash camera right here, so you can see in the front, and it can record footage of anything happening in the front. And it also has a backup camera too that you can install. You got this menu. This is my Apple CarPlay. But if you go back to the home screen, the camera is right here. So you see you got the front camera, very nice clear camera, and it's recording. So I can get the footage and store this onto the SD card, 2.5K ultra high definition. You can take a photo right there. You can go back home. And you got CarPlay, Android Auto, you got the AirPlay and Android Cast. These two allow you to do a mirroring of the smartphone. So sometimes with CarPlay and Android Auto, it prevents you from doing like Netflix or any particular app that is unsafe for driving. But these two does a mirror, so anything that you have on your smartphone, it will show up on this display. And I love having my smartphone either in my pocket when I get in my car, or I can put it here if I want to. But I have access to my CarPlay, I have my map, I have my music, I can take phone calls, everything works. Oh, by the way, how does the audio go? So the audio right now goes through my stereo. There's multiple ways to get the audio out. The way that I'm using it is using this 3.5mm cable that connects directly to my car stereo. That's the clearest and easiest way to connect. But you can also use it via Bluetooth. You can also use a built-in speaker, and there is even FM modulation, which means you just set your FM radio to a particular frequency and it'll send the audio wave to a particular frequency, and it works too. But I would recommend either going with the Bluetooth or the 3.5mm cable that I have. This has been a game changer, and I have access to all this stuff right here. And of course my Apple CarPlay right here. It's pretty smooth, easy to use, and I highly recommend it. This is the CARPURIDE W903 CarPlay, Android Auto, dash cam unit. Oh, by the way, not only is it CarPlay, it's a dash cam, front camera and backup camera. And this camera right here, you can move it up or down based on however you like, because in case you have it installed in a way where you need it up higher, you can move it up higher. And this is the coolest part. You can turn this inside like this, and you can use it as a front camera right here, see? So now I'm facing myself, and if I wanted to, I can show you what it looks like from this angle. If I go here and I go to camera, and ta-da, it's me! Hi! See, very clear, right? So anyway, this is our CARPURIDE W903, and it is simply awesome. There we go. Boom, CARPURIDE.